Welcome back to the Passive Path. Today I am going to show you how to turn 0 rupees into a steady online income using AI automation. This works even if you have no skills, no money, and absolutely no experience. This is the 2026 guide, and trust me, the opportunities this year are just insane. So let's begin. Why is 2026 the best year to start? Well, AI automation is growing faster than ever before. Businesses and content creators are all looking for the same things: faster output, low-cost solutions, and work that can be done automatically. 24/7, they need help, and they are willing to pay for it. The best part, you can use powerful AI tools completely for free and turn them into real, tangible income sources. You don't need a fancy degree or a big investment, just a willingness to learn and apply these simple strategies. Let's dive into our first AI tool, the Auto Content Generator. Think about it. Every business needs written content. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can now write incredible blog posts, engaging product descriptions, professional email newsletters, high-converting ad copy, and even video scripts just like this one. The quality is amazing, and it's almost instant. So where do you sell these services? You can create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can even find clients directly on LinkedIn. The income potential here is huge, ranging anywhere from 20,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month, and sometimes even more. The investment, zero. The only skill you need is learning how to write effective prompts. For a minute tutorial, just go to an AI tool and type something like, "Write me a 1,000-word SEO-optimized blog post on home decor ideas." With a friendly tone, the AI will generate the content. You just deliver that output to your client and earn your money. It's that simple to get started. Next up, let's talk about AI tool number 2, auto video creation. Video is king, and now AI can create entire videos automatically. I'm talking about talking animations, faceless short videos for social media, and stunning montages using stock footage. You don't need to show your face or have expensive camera equipment. Tools like Pika Labs, CapCuts, AI Features, Runway Gen 3, and VDIO make this incredibly easy. Here's a solid income idea. Create short, faceless videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Businesses also need these for their ads. You can charge anywhere from 500 to 3,000 rupees per video. The best part is that once you land one client, they often become a source of repeat income, asking for more videos every week or month. This is a fantastic way to build a stable client base with minimal effort. Now, for our third AI tool, the Auto Design Maker. Every brand, creator, and business needs graphics. AI design tools can now create professional-looking posters, eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, unique logos, beautiful Instagram posts, and website banners in seconds. Tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, which has free trial options, and Adobe Express AI are leading the charge here. So, where can you make money with these designs? The options are endless. You can offer your services on Fiverr, sell digital products on Etsy, create book covers for Amazon KDP, or even use the designs for Pinterest affiliate marketing. Here is a passive income idea for you. Create a collection of trendy designs and upload them as digital products on Etsy. You create them once, and you earn money every single time someone makes a purchase. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it income stream. Let's move on to AI tool number 4. Auto Affiliate Automation. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products, but it used to take a lot of time. Not anymore. You can use AI to create automated blog posts that review products. Auto-generate social media captions to promote your affiliate links, and even create promotional reels with AI-generated voiceover tools like System.io, WordPress AI writers, and various YouTube voiceover AIs make this a breeze. Your strategy is simple. Create affiliate posts, drive traffic to them, and get commissions whenever someone buys through your link. The beauty of this model is that you never have to spend your own money on products or inventory. You only invest your time upfront, and the system can continue to earn you money for years to come. The income potential with affiliate automation is truly unlimited. Our 5th AI tool is the AutoCourse Builder. You might think you need to be an expert to create and sell an online course, but with AI, that's no longer true. You can have a simple idea or passion, and AI can help you build the entire course. It can write the course modules, generate scripts for your lessons, create assignments and quizzes, design presentations, and even make worksheets for your students. Once your course is ready, you can sell it on popular platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. You could also offer it as a special perk for your YouTube channel members. This is another incredible passive income opportunity. You do the work once, and you can earn money from course sales even while you're sleeping. It's about sharing knowledge, and AI makes it accessible for everyone to become a teacher. So, let's put it all together. Here is your complete AI income blueprint, a simple roadmap to go from 0 rupees to real money. First, choose one of the services we talked about today. Don't try to do everything at once. Second, start using the free AI tools to practice and get good. Third, create a few portfolio samples to showcase your skills. You can do this for free. Fourth, post your gig online on a freelancing platform or reach out to potential clients. Fifth, start delivering high-quality work and get great reviews. And finally, sixth, scale your business using even more automation. As you can see, no money is needed to start, only consistency and action. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you subscribe to The Passive Path for more AI money-making strategies. And I want you to do one more thing. Comment below, "I want AI income." I'll be personally replying to as many comments as I can, with personalized tips to help you get started on your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.